such a good spray bottle, Chewy.
That's a pretty bird.
Welcome back to the wonderfully chaotic and deeply affectionate world of our feathered friends. We begin this visual journey with a stunningly vibrant blue and yellow macaw that demonstrates absolutely remarkable gentleness, carefully nuzzling and affectionately preening two incredibly relaxed Bengal cats who are lounging lazily on a soft, comfortable bed, showcasing the fascinating way parrots use allopreening not just with their flock mates, but to build trust and affectionate bonds with completely different species.
Bro, what is going on, man? Like, seriously, I know you like cashews, but this is kind of going a bit too far.
Meanwhile, just outside a screen door, a highly determined parrot clings stubbornly to the mesh, earning a lighthearted and friendly scolding from its owner for persistently demanding cashews. A high-fat, high-reward treat that parrots are notoriously willing to work, or in this case, playfully beg, for even though it hasn't quite figured out how to get inside the house to claim its nutty prize.
You're a bit too naughty for one this morning.
The incredibly special and innocent bond between children and birds is captured to absolute perfection by a brightly colored sun.
It's so ugly.
It's coming. Let him get it. Let him finish. He got it.
摇坏我雨伞。
In a much quieter and deeply tender moment, a green macaw and a sun conure show us the true meaning of companionship, snuggling tightly against one another while a human hand gently scratches the larger bird's neck, stimulating the release of endorphins and lulling both of these naturally highly social flock-oriented creatures into a state of pure, unadulterated bliss. Lunchtime seamlessly transforms into a delightful team activity for one man who casually enjoys a sandwich at a restaurant table.
That feel good? Shower time? Come on. Oh, don't say that bad word. That's not funny. Yeah. That feel good?
Nothing quite captures the absolute tranquility of nap time like a tiny, perfectly peaceful green-cheeked conure that has fallen fast asleep, resting as light as a feather directly on the crown of a newborn baby's head. A lively green parrot seems to be thoroughly enjoying a delightful day out shopping, happily vocalizing and curiously analyzing everything in its surroundings, from the cozy comfort of its very own miniature red plastic shopping cart. If you are finding yourself smiling at these adorable moments and want to bring a daily dose of joy and fascinating avian facts into your life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our bird-loving community for even more heartwarming winged adventures. Patience proves to be the ultimate key when tasked with feeding a vibrant and eager flock. beautifully illustrated when a person carefully uses a small spoon and a glass cup to feed a lovely group of yellow, green, and white parakeets, meticulously making sure every single bird gets its fair and equal share of the nutrient-rich treat they so enthusiastically crave.
You're having a little sleepy? Yeah? A little bit tired? Yeah? Oh, darlings. Little darlings.
A perfectly synchronized cuddle puddle takes shape when 4 tiny, impossibly fluffy, pastel blue parrotlets huddle closely together, sharing their body heat and keeping each other warm as they peacefully drift off to sleep on the safety of someone's shoulder. Guard duty is clearly a highly coordinated team effort in one particular household, where a vigilant black dog and a lively cockatoo stand shoulder to shoulder at a glass window with the bird rhythmically bobbing, raising its expressive crest and squawking at whatever mystery has captured their shared attention outside.
Who's that, Poppy? Who's that? Poppy, who's that?
Even everyday car rides are elevated to an experience of absolute luxury for a small Quaker parrot, a species famous for its intricate nest-building skills and highly comical personality, displaying an impressive level of cognitive intelligence, color recognition, and flawless training. A tiny lovebird busily scurries back and forth across a pegboard, picking up colorful, textured balls with its beak and dropping them with astonishing precision into a long row of perfectly color-coordinated toy bins, proving that these small birds possess problem-solving skills that rival those of much larger parrots. A sweet toddler sitting in his high chair learns the gentle and beautiful art of interspecies friendship, leaning in softly and with great care to nuzzle a blue lovebird before thoughtfully offering the little bird a tiny taste from his own feeding spoon, an interaction that beautifully demonstrates how early exposure helps children develop profound empathy and respect for animals. A highly playful green macaw enthusiastically drags a braided rope toy across the living room floor under the watchful, curious gaze of a small dog, eventually abandoning its game on the rug to scale the side of its towering wire cage with deeply impressive agility, utilizing its incredibly strong zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward, which are designed perfectly for climbing and grasping.
I love you, my babies. But you'll have a mate to do. Do you want to do a thing?
Finally, bedtime transforms into a large-scale, heartwarming family affair for one incredibly devoted owner who lies flat on his bed, completely covered by 5 fiercely affectionate blue and yellow macaws, offering them loving kisses before carefully tucking the entire sleepy flock under a cozy blanket for a perfect night's rest. A beautiful display of the deep, lifelong, emotional attachments these majestic, incredibly smart birds form with their chosen human companions.
You can't all sleep on top of me. And don't eat my nose. It's bedtime, my babies. Good night, Chris. Good night, Jackie. Good night, Hunter. Good night, Guy. Good night. Already asleep.